Greetings, tribe. This is Fadayz from the Self-Expression Project, and you're watching Beyond the Stereotypes, Part 3. Growing up in foster homes, I would draw all the time, every single day. Anything that I saw in the book or outside or around me, I would draw. Leaving foster homes was a great accomplishment, and I thank my grandmother forever for that one. Yet when I got to my grandmother's home, I realized very early that when I drew, it reminded me of being in foster homes and detention centers and group homes and every other place that I was transported to. And for the last 30 years, I've thought to myself, if I would have stuck to drawing, if I could have continued to draw, what would I have drawn? And I think I would have pushed on into painting. And what I would have done right now, and this is not my idea, the universe brought this idea to me late last night. I would have created a 100-foot high by 50-foot canvas. And the canvas would show the mathematics of conductions. Conduction when you have electricity flowing through it. Conduction when you do not. Broken conduction, and conduction in blueprint form. And then there would be another painting, and the other painting would be broken pieces of conduction. Pieces missing, pieces bent, pieces just rusted and unusable. The third one would show 3 different groups of people. And these 3 different groups of people would be children in the middle, and to the left there would be women, and then to the right there would be men, and it'd all be in a big circle, each group. So children in the middle, women to the left, men to the right. And then the 4th photo would show the mothers surrounding the children, and then the men surrounding the mothers. And only for those who adamantly looked for the other painting would find the 5th painting. And the 5th painting would be above. You would have to look up, meaning wake up. And the wake up painting, in that specific painting, unlike the other paintings that were just painted in single color paint, this painting would be vibrant in color, almost to the point of glowing. And it would show the fathers, uncles, cousins, grandfathers, brothers, and so on, protecting the beauty, the nurturing, and the love of the mothers. And then that circle would protect the innocence, the creativity, and the innocence of the children. And those 3 energies would vibrate off of each other, creating a frequency that would rise up into the sky, past the clouds, into the universal realm of nothingness, where there's infinite energy, infinite space, infinite creativity. And from that point on, you are the adventure you seek.